So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I clean the door shuts on my car. This is actually a job that I've been putting off for quite a while. I've just been giving them a quick wipe down after washes, but when you look closely there is quite a lot of grime, which definitely needs more attention. So the first step that I do is to pre-wash the door shuts. Now I usually use just a pump sprayer or a trigger spray for this, and here I'm using the Carbon Collective all-purpose cleaner at a 1:9 dilution in one of their spray bottles. Once I have given it a couple of minutes to soak, I do pre-rinse the door shuts with the pressure washer. Now here I am just using a shower nozzle, as that reduced pressure can avoid it kind of splashing. You can however use a more narrow nozzle, usually a 15-degree one is best for this. I know some people are a bit worried about using a pressure washer anywhere near the interior, and I totally understand, but if you are careful with it and do have a microfiber towel on hand to kind of mop up any splashes, then personally I've never had an issue. You can always just drape microfiber towels over the areas that are likely to get splashed if you are concerned about it too. Now to clean the bulk of the door shuts, the painted areas, I do go in with a wash mitt and some shampoo. Here I'm using some Yum Wash, just applied directly to a dampened mitt. And I am using a wheel mitt, so this is the one by the Rag Company. I do like wheel mitts for these kind of areas as they are obviously a bit smaller, so just make it a bit easier to navigate the tighter spaces. For the more tricky, intricate areas to reach, I've been using a combination of my detailing brushes and also the Sponge Guru products. I actually find those really useful to reach behind hinges, where the collar of the brush would usually block the access. So having both these tools on hand does make it a lot easier to clean kind of all the areas more efficiently, and this overall process doesn't normally take me more than about 10 minutes. Once I have done all the cleaning and I'm happy, I will rinse down the door shuts again. It's worth noting at this point that I always do the door shuts before washing the bodywork on the car, as obviously otherwise you're just going to get a load of drip marks, or get snow foam in the door shuts which you're going to have to wipe again anyway. So I tend to clean the door shuts, rinse them down, wash the rest of the car, and then I'll move on to the drying stage after that. So usually I just use a quick detailer on a microfiber towel to actually wipe the door shuts dry. Here I'm using the one by Armour Detail Supply. It just adds a little bit of light protection to the painted surfaces, which is all I really need here. You could of course use something more heavy duty here, or even ceramic coat the door shuts, but for me this just works quite well and it's something that I can use on every wash and just give them a quick wipe down. I also wanted to treat all the rubber seals to some Garage Therapy tyre serum. It's a rubber conditioner so works quite well on these areas too, just to help kind of slow down the ageing process and prevent things like cracking and fading. It's also a good opportunity now to re-grease the hinges as well, whilst they're all clean and dry. As always, all the products that I've used in this video are going to be linked in the description if you are looking to find them. And if you have enjoyed it or found it helpful, then it would be brilliant if you dropped it a like, and thanks for watching.